I hope everybody's doing well. This is the Rough Ryder 1st Infantry Linerlock folding knife with green G10 scales. This is the RR2672. It's a drop point stainless steel made in China. It compares in size to the Griptilian from Benchmade. I'll show those right here. And you can see kind of the size is similar, the weight very similar as well. The build, it has, you can see the inner stainless steel liners, very nice. And you can see the spacers and also the thumb stubs, okay? It has a nice deep carry pocket clip. It says Rough Ryder in there. And it is pretty tight, very solid, very solid. This knife is solid construction. It has a good weight and feeling and quality feeling to it. I like the fact that it is kind of a homage to the First Army, the big red infantry. It is really nice, really well done. The price was around $20 online. So highly recommend getting one of these. The operation is extremely smooth. And it is a solid knife. Solid. It's beautiful. Get out there and get one of these. Highly recommend it. You can see the liner, the way it locks. It's really strong, has a good tension on it. See how well it's not completely centered, but it's fairly decent. It's not rubbing against anything. The scale looks a little bit like, the feeling is kind of like micarta. It's pretty nice, really nice and grippy. I'm super impressed by the quality of this knife and the price. It was just amazing. It was the fact that you can get that much knife for that price. Have a good day.